In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to onboard new hires using Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned manager or new to the role, onboarding can be an overwhelming process. But with Notion, it becomes much more manageable and even enjoyable. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. This is your centralized hub for organizing wikis, documents, projects, and more. If you haven't already, make sure your workspace is ready for action, because this is where you'll build your onboarding process. Once you're on the Notion homepage, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. Having your workspace open makes the following steps much easier to execute. After logging in, navigate directly to the Notion home. This is the foundation, where you'll see all your options and tools laid out. It's a user-friendly interface that's designed to help you maximize productivity from the get-go. At this point, it's crucial to get comfortable navigating through the different sections. Understanding the interface can make a significant difference in how you manage and streamline the onboarding process. Next, you will see a template section. Click on the Templates link. Templates in Notion are incredibly handy as they serve as pre-designed pages that you can customize to suit your particular needs. Here you can find various options designed explicitly for onboarding. These templates are thoughtfully structured to include all necessary sections such as introductions, company policies, team directories, and more. In the search bar, type New Hires to filter specifically for onboarding templates. This step is essential as it helps you hone in on templates that align closely with your onboarding goals. Once you see the options, select a template that you believe fits best for your company or team needs. Remember, you can always customize this template further, but starting with a solid foundation can save you a ton of time. Now that you've got your template, click on Add to incorporate it into your workspace. This step is crucial because it's when the template transforms from a mere framework into a functional document that you'll use in real time. Make sure it's added correctly before moving forward. Finally, edit the template to fit your specific needs. Modify any sections, input relevant information, and make it engaging. This is your chance to tailor the template to reflect your company's values and culture, as well as to provide new hires with the essential information they need to get started. You can add multimedia, links, and even your own notes to make it truly unique. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up an effective onboarding process using Notion. Congratulations! This method not only saves you time, but also ensures that new hires get a smooth and comprehensive introduction to your company. Thanks for tuning in, and happy onboarding!